low-key pretty scared.
Go. Oh.
Hey, welcome to episode number 10, 3D printed rocket version 2. The footage you are about to see was filmed in 2019. I hope you enjoy.
Hey, lit. Welcome back to the rocket video part 2. So the last video, this was V1. This was printed on this printer. Over here, it took 15 and a half hours. This is V2, printed on the TiVo. Tornado over here took 10 hours and 19 minutes. So the last video, I bought some rocket engines from Michael's. I got A83, B64, and C65 rocket engines. These are for like model rockets. And so we put the A's in, and this one just shot up a few feet in the air, maybe like 50, 60 feet, not really sure how much. And it fell on its side, and then the engine like shot out. So that was fun. So this was obviously way too heavy for that engine. This weighs 222 grams. And so this is V2 over here next to it, a lot smaller. So this outside diameter was 3 inches, and this outside diameter is now 2 inches. So probably just keep going inch by inch, maybe reduce it by like half an inch to see if there's a difference or not. But that's where this is at. This was 222, and this is 172 grams. So in this video, we're just gonna finish off that last A engine, get rid of it, and then put a B engine and a C engine and see if there's any different. So see you at the field.
V2, ladies and gentlemen.
All right, we're back on the field. This is V2, launch 1. This is the last of the 3-pack of the A motors. So let's see what happens.
Alright. It's K2. Don't you run on me again. He's about to be gone.
For real.
Ready?
1, 2, 3, go. That was pretty cool.
Oh. Wonder why. You think it wasn't centered over the hole?
Probably.
Oh no, I bet it shot up and got stuck. What do you think?
Dude, I have...
Here.
All right, this is motor B. Launch number dose. Uh-oh. Okay. I'm low-key pretty scared.
Go. Oh!
Holy...
Go find that. I got the rocket. Oh my... Bruh! It went the distance! Oh! Bro, did you go find the engine?
No, let me see the rocket.
Did you find the engine?
One piece?
Yeah.
Holy...
Did you not grab the engine?
Dude, there's no way we're gonna find that.
All right, we got the C-powered engine, or the C-rating engine, I apologize. It's supposed to be double the B, and you guys saw how high the B went. So let's see what happens. Izzy?
Oh my gosh.
Let's do it.
This is gonna be crazy. Dude, I'm telling you,
Do
as
it.
soon as I touch it, I'm
Run.
running.
Yeah, I know. Go.
All right.
Go right, though.
1, 2,
3. Oh. Oh, okay. 1, 2.
Go, Izzy.
3.
What?
The heck?
It's not go. Do we need another battery? Watch us use all the charge.
I can't. There we go. Oh.
Go.
Oh.
Oh.
No,
Oh, that's.
the wires are too close. Come over here. Yeah, they're overlapping.
Yeah. That would be my B. My bad, gentlemen, folks. So let me. This is straight. Ooh, that's straight. Kind of. Oh, that's straight. Let's do it. All right. Oh sh. He took off. Look at him, ladies and gentlemen. Look.
Come on.
Welcome back. All right, so Kate and I just left DD Field, and yeah, that was a pretty crazy experience, we would say. So this is V2. This is the aftermath. This is some dirt, and these rockets are hollow. So this is like a 2-inch outer diameter, and I think the hole here is like 0.73 of an inch is this hole. So this is like pretty thick, you know what I mean? But it's hollow all the way. This is hollow inside. So when it's launching up and shooting down, I'm expecting it to like bust and shatter, but these are holding up pretty nice. I'm honestly pretty surprised. But yeah, this is the aftermath. We did fire 3 engines like back to back, so it's pretty worn out. So we could not, it was too dark for us to find the B, so we'll have to go back in the morning to get it. But this was the A, and this was the C. Obviously the C took it up the highest, but since this isn't necessarily like model rockets that have like the stand and like a little guide hole to make sure it goes straight, I think that's going to be the next thing to do for V3 is make V3, probably make this outer diameter like 1 inch, maybe 1.5, see how that goes, but make like a launch pad and have the guide hole so that way we can ensure it goes straight, because right now just launched it off of one of these empty filament spools in the grass. It's kind of like, all right, 3, 2, 1, you know what I mean? So yeah, I think the next step is to definitely get more safe and hopefully design something that's optimal for the engine to put it out. So that's all for V2. Stay tuned for V3. You stay lit, America.
All right, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed that footage. The files for the Rocket version 2 can be found at alit.com for free. Go print them out, try them out, let me know how it works. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. Go make something. And as always, you stay lit, America.